Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to be talking about the best 15 tips and tricks for your new Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. So let's begin with the video.
So what's up everyone, welcome back to Surge Tech. Sergio here. In this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. There's going to be links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below, so do check that out, and let's get right on with the video.
So the first tip is going to be how to read the messages and calls. So the Samsung Galaxy Buds can read out your notifications for you, which comes really in handy when you're running or driving. And in order to do that, you just need to get your Samsung device and just swipe up, and you're going to want to download the new Galaxy Wearable app, which is going to be useful so you can do the tricks on this video with your Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. So once you log in the app, you're going to have to turn on and pair your device. And once your device is on, you're going to have all these multiple options right here, but we're going to go to read notifications out loud. This is going to give you an option where you can hear the notifications from your phone on your earbuds even when you're using them. So you just activate it and then you select whichever app you want this to be working for. And next up, we're gonna have the SmartThings. So Samsung SmartThings app lets you connect multiple Samsung devices like the Samsung Smart TV, Samsung Home, AC, etc. And of course, it works with Galaxy Buds as well, so you can voice your command via the Galaxy earbuds to Bixby and control all the devices. For instance, you can do actions such as turn on the TV or lower the volume. And next up, we're gonna have the Dolby Atmos. So to turn on the Dolby Atmos, all you have to do is pull down the notification drawer and swipe once again in order to get to the quick settings, and then you're gonna swipe to the right, and here you're gonna see the Dolby Atmos. As you can tell, now I have the Dolby Atmos on. And next we're gonna have the ambient sound mode. So the best thing about the Galaxy Buds is that the ambient sound mode, it lets you hear surrounding sound via the microphone, and this comes really in handy when you want to talk to someone without removing the earbuds. But in order to make the ambient sound work, you have to use both of the earbuds on, and within the app we're gonna have the ambient sound menu, which is gonna be this one right here. And once you have both of them on, you can activate the ambient sound. And on this same menu you may also activate the voice detect, which basically means that the noise controls and the sound settings are gonna go back to the previous state when your voice isn't detected for about 10 seconds. And now I'm gonna show you some of the gestures for your new Galaxy Buds Pro. So the new Galaxy Buds, they have a touchpad that functions based on taps, which is gonna be this one right here. As you can tell, it plays and pauses the music on a single tap, and then the double tap is gonna let you skip past the song, while triple tap moves to the previous song. So as you can tell, you have the pad right here. With one tap, you're gonna play and pause the music, and then with the double tap, it's gonna skip past the song, and then triple tap moves to the previous song. But you may also want to make sure to lock the touchpad in case you're going out and you're trying to avoid that anything happens on accident. And in order to block the pad so nothing happens as you don't want it to happen, all you have to do is go to your Galaxy Buds Pro app, and here you're gonna find the toggle that says block touches, and you activate it, and that's gonna be all. And in case you misplaced the earbuds or your pet has dragged it out of your bed, the Galaxy Wear app has you covered. It has a native Find My Earbud functionality, which plays a high decibel chirping sound on the earbuds. The sound is going to be quite loud and can be heard across the room. The app is smart enough and mutes the sound of the earbud that is plugged in. Hence, for instance, if one of the earbuds is missing, plug the other one in your ear or the charging case to avoid any unnecessary sound on the earbud. So once you're in the app, you're just going to go all the way down here and you're going to have Find My Earbuds. And next up, we're going to have the Bixby integration. So if you have a Samsung smartphone, the Galaxy Buds are going to offer so much more value. With the recent firmware update, the Galaxy Buds can be controlled via Bixby, and you can ask Bixby to turn off or on the ambient sound. You can even summon Bixby to lock the touchpad or change the equalizer mode. And in case you have the Galaxy Watch, the Bixby commands work on the Galaxy Watch as well. And now let's say that you're having any issues with your earbuds and you just want to perform a reset. All you have to do is get on your Galaxy Wear app and go all the way to the bottom where it's going to say General. Once you're there, you're going to see Reset, and that's going to completely reset your Galaxy Buds Pro. For some reason you ordered the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro but you don't have a Samsung phone, you can always download an app called Galaxy Buds Buds Manager. This app can work on iPhones, as you can tell right now, and it's gonna allow you to use the buds on other phone, even though the customization is not gonna work on Windows or any Mac. So next up, we're gonna have the gesture of tap and hold. So basically, if you log into your app and you go all the way to the bottom, you're gonna see the option right here, touch and hold, that whenever you press and hold the touchpad, you can use a command. This can be used to switch noise control, voice command, volume down, or Spotify, and you can select one different from either side. And now we're gonna have the seamless earbud connection, and basically all you have to do in order to activate it or deactivate it, it's gonna be by going to the app, and then in advanced, you're gonna have the toggle right here on this spot, and all you have to do is either turn it on or turn it off. And now we're gonna have how to stop the audio delay. Bluetooth devices can suffer from audio delay. This is where what you hear doesn't exactly match what's happening on the screen, and you'll notice this most when watching videos or playing any games. You can try to resolve this by using the buds life away from other Bluetooth devices and moving closer to the connected device. However, when using your buds with a Samsung phone or tablet, the best way to reduce the audio delay is to enable a feature called gaming mode that you can easily find in this app. All you have to do is go to your labs, and then you're gonna activate the gaming mode. And now, last but not least, we're gonna have how to check for software updates. So all you have to do is open the app and navigate to the Galaxy Buds section. Then you're gonna see right here a message. All you have to do is log into your app and then scroll all the way down to earbuds software update. Then you're gonna head to download and install, and here it's gonna load any updates that the company has for you. If there is an update available, place your earbuds on the charging case and just leave it open, and the update will download, copy over to your earbuds, and then will be installed. This entire process should take less than 5 minutes. Okay everyone, so that was the best 15 tips and tricks for your new Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below on which trick was your favorite. As always, I will be seeing you in the next video.